In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantower Volume Profile. If you're new to Volume Profile, think of it as a way to see where trading activity actually happened across price levels. Instead of just looking at time, you'll see a horizontal histogram that highlights high and low interest areas, helping you spot potential support, resistance, and fair value zones. This tool is especially useful for intraday and swing traders who want to understand where the market did the most business. Let's start by adding the volume profile to your chart. Open Quantower and load any market chart you're analyzing. Then go to the Indicators or Volume Analysis Tools menu. From there, select Volume Profile. As soon as you do, a profile will appear on your chart and you'll be ready to customize it for your workflow. If you don't see it right away, make sure the chart has enough visible data and that the profile isn't hidden behind another panel. Next, choose the type of profile you want to work with. If you want to break your profile into equal time slices, pick Step Volume Profile. This shows separate profiles for each interval, such as every hour or every day, making it easy to compare how participation shifts over time. It's great for identifying when interest builds during specific parts of the session. If you prefer a single continuous profile but want it placed neatly, you can choose Left Volume Profile or Right Volume Profile. Left displays the histogram on the left side of the chart, while Right places it on the right. This is purely visual preference, so pick the side that keeps your price action most readable. For targeted analysis, use Custom Volume Profile. This lets you manually select a specific range on the chart, such as a consolidation, a news move, or a defined swing. Click and drag across the dates or candles you care about, and the profile will calculate only for that window. Zoom in first if you need a more precise selection. Now, let's configure the settings. Open the Settings panel for the profile and choose a data type. Volume shows total traded volume at each price. Delta displays the difference between aggressive buys and sells, highlighting where initiative pressure dominated. Buy or sell trades splits the activity so you can see participation on each side. Adjust the histogram width to control how bold the profile appears against your candles. Set the step period if you're using step profiles, minutes, hours, or days, so the segmentation matches your trading horizon. Finally, pick a sessions template to align with your trading hours. Using a session that matches your market's primary hours helps avoid mixing overnight action into your core read. Once you're set, observe how price interacts with these levels and refine as needed.